Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you these Almond Joy inspired cookies. For these, I'm going to be using 2 sticks of butter at room temperature, 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, 2 eggs at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of oats, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 cups of sweetened shredded coconut, 1 cup of chopped almonds, and some melting chocolate. To start, mix the flour, oats, baking soda, and salt and mix until everything is well combined. In the bowl of a stand mixer, mix the softened butter, brown sugar, and white sugar, and with the paddle attachment, cream together for about 3 minutes on low speed. Once the mixture is nice and smooth, add 1 egg at a time and let it mix for about 15 seconds, and then add the next one. After that, add the vanilla, and then stop the mixer and scrape down the bowl. Add half of the dry ingredients and let it mix on low speed for about 10 to 15 seconds. Add the other half and scrape down once again. Now add the coconut and the almonds and mix for a few seconds until everything is well combined. And now the dough is ready to be scooped. I am using a cookie scoop, which is about 1 1/2 tablespoons per cookie, and I was able to get 48 cookies of this size. I'm scooping them close because I'm going to freeze both trays for about 30 minutes. Now that the cookies are frozen, I'm going to keep half of them frozen and keep them in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. I rearranged the remaining cookies to have 12 per tray, and I'm going to bake them for 10 to 12 minutes until they're golden brown. I'm going to let them rest in the pan for about 5 minutes and then transfer them to a cooling rack to cool completely. Now that my cookies are cooled, I melted the chocolate and put it in a squeeze bottle. And I'm going to put some of this chocolate on the baking mat to fit the size of the bottom of the cookie. Then I'm going to sit the cookie in it and repeat the process until all of them are done. Last, I'm going to drizzle some chocolate on top of the cookie and then let it dry for a few minutes. So here's the first tray all done. I'm gonna let it dry and then transfer it to a serving platter. So here you have them. You have a base of chocolate, then cookie, and then more chocolate. And on the inside you can see the almonds and the coconut. These are really, really good. My family can't stop eating them. They absolutely love them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!